Hello everyone and welcome to Taste of Thoughts with Dr. Irina. And Dr. Irina, how are you today?
Wonderful. How are you doing?
I am doing wonderful as well.
Great.
And I know today that we're going to have a combination of pasta and seafood.
Oh, the best.
You know, two kinds of meals that people just absolutely love.
Absolutely love, yeah.
So how do we make this, how do we combine this great effort to make this meal?
All seafood is very healthy food.
Because
they are unsaturated, they don't have saturated fats, and they're pure protein, very good, healthy protein. So we'll soak them in here.
Going to soak them in here.
Lemon juice and olive oil.
Okay, olive oil.
Meanwhile, we'll cook pasta. Now, to choose a good pasta, choosing a good pasta, it's a tricky thing, because we want to keep our meal low glycemic, and glycemic index depends on the way of cooking, of the temperature. So one pasta can be not good for you, but another one can be absolutely perfect. Do not afraid of pasta meal. So one of the things that influence glycemic index, it is pressure. So the spaghetti, they made under the big pressure, right? High pressure.
Pressure, okay.
So the thin spaghetti is better for you.
So thin spaghetti is better for you.
It's better. So I chose angel hair.
Angel hair, okay.
So I never liked the name, but
you didn't like the name?
like you're eating this. But in terms of our health, it's the best.
Basically what you're doing here is actually cooking a healthy meal.
Yes, and especially
one.
for weight loss and supporting healthy weight and maintaining the healthy level of blood sugar and cholesterol level. So all this, and the point is it can be very delicious meal.
Right.
And so it is not controversial. It can be delicious and healthy.
Okay.
Okay. So let's get started.
Okay. We're going to put the...
Yes. I'll ask you to grate the zest.
Okay. Yep.
Like it goes, by the way, both ways.
Go both ways?
Yes.
All
Very
right.
strange, but
all right.
nice. I'll cut...
sort of like when you're sawing wood. How much of this do you want, by the way? As much as I can do?
Yes, the whole lemon. Is it possible?
Boy, right away you get that great lemon aroma. Right away.
Yes. And I discovered that pasta goes very well with lemon several years ago, and I was surprised, like, why should I put lemon in pasta? But it is, it's for any reason, it's a great combination. So it's good to it. And of course, olive oil. You see, you're getting closer. And
you're doing the garlic.
Yes, we'll create kind of sauce. We are not going to use sauce afterwards, but now we want to soak all these guys into
Now, how much of this do we know? Is this enough, or do you want more?
No, if you can manage all this, it will be nice.
Oh, okay.
all lemon, yes.
All right. We can manage that.
And then we'll cut it in half and get juice.
All right.
Boy. Well, you're stronger than me.
Oh, yeah, we got this nice lemon juice. Ah.
Yes, nice lemon juice. We can do some. Oh, good.
You want the other side too? The other half?
Yes, we need more.
Halves.
We have lots of seafood and
All
pasta.
Right.
So what we'll use also oregano. Oh, thank you.
Oh, the smell of lemon is just wonderful.
It's good already. Yeah. Okay, so we are adding garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and olive oil.
Olive oil.
Lots of olive oil.
I love olive oil.
Yes. Then,
That's a good amount of olive oil.
oh, that's me. Oh, yeah. Never be greedy in olive oil. It's all to your health. Okay, we'll put shrimp. They're unpeeled, but
You have the tails on them.
I
right?
have tails in this. They're raw shrimp. I've learned that, actually on my own experience, that when they cook with this tail, they're much tender and juicy.
More juicy,
As when
tender?
you remove the tail, they're there. So I like them
Okay.
juicy.
So there's a little hint to
So-
cook them with the tails on.
Yep.
Oh, and so you're putting the scallops in as well.
Scallops, shrimp, and calamari.
And the calamari.
But calamari should be actually, also we need to cut it. So, and we'll add
Some
oregano.
Oregano, right.
Yes. If you don't mind to,
You smell that?
yes. Yeah. If you don't mind to
Sure.
do this here, and I'll cut calamari. Meanwhile, I'll cut them in rings.
I'm preparing all of this.
If you don't like rings, you can cut them this way. Rings are simple. Oh, you know, you can just go
Well,
opposite. No,
the other way.
Yeah. Oh,
Oops. Well, I'm learning something now. Hey, there you go.
yeah, it takes off all leaves
Go against
very,
the grain
very
here.
quickly. Yeah, you see, it's quickly.
All right. Well, it's good. You know, it smells great.
Oregano is wonderful. Yeah. This is another plant that spread out around my garden. Chives and oregano. It is everywhere.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh, what a great aroma.
I'll put whatever I have
Put the
already.
calamari in here. And
Yeah, it's nice to have it in this marinade for 15-20 minutes.
15 or 20 minutes? Okay.
Yes, and this is exactly the time, well, our pasta,
Do you ever sing while you're
angel hair will be
Do you ever
ready.
sing while you're cooking?
What's this?
Do you ever sing while you're cooking? You know, singing a song.
Oh, no,
No, you don't. Okay.
I like silence.
You like silence.
Oh, I'm talking to my cat.
Oh,
Oh, more precisely, he's talking to me.
he's talking
and
to
I
you
need to
because-
answer.
Because he can smell all this great food. I bet your cat would love to be in here.
Oh. Yes,
Yes.
seafood is amazing.
Smells great.
And it's too pity that people stay away of such great food, which is healthy and delicious, because they're afraid that it can hurt them, it will increase blood sugar, or will make them fat. But it is not. What can be better than eat well and get slim?
Sleep, eat well, you know, and be healthy. It's a great combination.
Right.
Are we done with the lemon?
No.
You're going to do something else with it, I
I'll
assume.
add it, yes.
Yeah,
we
I
are
figured
not going-
you had plans for that lemon. I knew
Yes,
that.
yes. So we don't need them grated already, but we'll cut it. Oh, water is almost boiling, and we'll let our angel
The angel hair
hair pasta.
pasta.
Now, the manufactured pasta like this, again, when I'm talking about the pressing process, so, and if you care about your weight, choose thin and well pressed from whole semolina, and not the homemade, or you know, some spaghetti, they're not pressed, they're like less pressed. Doesn't make sense. They're white and thick.
Oh, white and thick. Okay.
So don't take a chance. Better choose the maximum pressed thin spaghetti. Oh, look at this.
And we're talking because of healthy food.
Because of glycemic index, because
Glycemic index,
it
right.
changes depending on the process. So while it pressed, the glycemic index lows. Actually, glycemic index of white spaghetti is only 50. It's not only, it's medium, but it is totally acceptable, especially if you keep weight. And spaghetti or any pasta from whole wheat, it is 40, so the difference is not big
Not
at
that
all.
much. Not that much difference. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. About the pressing, the same about coffee. Like espresso, it has less caffeine than the regular coffee because
Espresso?
of this
Yeah.
pressing. Yes. So it's also good news, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Good news. Okay. Oh, I know what is this. Because we have this complicated system.
So you can bring the
Did
water
I
to the
put
boil.
pepper? I don't think so. I think I didn't.
Add what?
Pepper.
Oh, pepper? No.
Salt, pepper, garlic, lemon juice, oregano.
It's a good combination.
Yeah. So you don't want to waste it. And I'll cut the half, not all. And I'll put it there also. We'll avoid eating it. But maybe it's okay, I don't know, I never tried. But it will give more
More flavor.
flavor. Yes. You see, it changes the color. It is getting more bright because of this lemon juice marinating process.
Okay, lemon juice marinating into everything.
Oh. You can eat it like this, even it's so good.
Actually looks good right there on the pot.
So good.
It's like a work of art, actually.
Oh, thank you. It's nice to hear. Okay.
So you're making what, about half a pound?
I want to put all of this.
Oh, you're going to put all of it in there? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we have a lot.
I see.
There is no such thing as little bit spaghetti. Spaghetti
That's
is
true.
always big.
That's true. Must be a reason why they put a pound of it in that box.
That's the reason. They will cook very quickly because you see, they're very thin.
It says on the box that it's good in 4 to 5 minutes. Do you go by what it says on the box, or you test it as it goes
I even
along?
don't. You are right. It's a lot. I don't think so. We'll see, but probably even less. And also, again, when it cooked less, also the glycemic index stays like 50, as we discussed. If you overcook it, it may increase.
It may increase.
And we don't want it. Because all components of wheat are getting to another chemical structure which influence differently our weight. Well, we need to finish it, but it's a lot. What do you
It's a
think?
pound.
I just see that we have actually a lot of this. If I cook pasta, it's always a lot.
That is a lot.
Well, we'll put everything because we have a
It
decent.
won't go to waste, that's for sure.
No, we have pretty decent amount of seafood. So to keep its shape, we'll just wait and place it there. So its shape is beautiful. In about 3-4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, it will be ready, and seafood will be marinated enough by that time.
Okay.
We'll be back soon.
So we just have to wait for it to cook.
Yes, yes.
So actually, we've drained the spaghetti, the angel hair.
All right.
You've put some olive oil in the large pot,
The big
and it's on a temperature.
And these guys are marinated well.
They look marinated. So you're
Yes.
putting all the
So
seafood
we
in
put
the
it
big pot.
here. Oh no, not too bad. So seafood shouldn't be cooked long
Okay.
time. So it's
Just a couple of minutes.
just a couple of minutes, and you need to eat them as soon as possible.
Eat them as
because
soon as
pasta
possible?
is getting cold very quickly.
I like that part. Eat as soon as possible. So what does it look like now, Dr. Irina?
Let's see. It was there.
Oh, beautiful. The shrimp has changed color.
It is getting beautiful. Yeah, the shrimp are getting pink, and the scallops. So we'll wait a little bit. It should be good. We don't want them.
Okay. So the seafood looks like it's done.
Seafood is done, and yeah, this green color is nice. Now it's time to put cooked
The pasta into the seafood?
pasta into the seafood, so it will soak all the sauce.
It's going to absorb all of it, yeah. Well, this is a great dish right here. We have pasta and seafood,
Seafood.
and it smells delicious. And bon appetit. You have some Chardonnay to go with it as well.
Yes. So we'll try.
So here we go.
White
I think I'm going to go into the scallop first. Scallop is perfect.
Cooked just right?
It is.
Well,
We have a lot of seasoning in here too.
you can add salt and pepper or more olive oil actually if you'd like.
I'm going to try some shrimp. Well, you know, the pasta complements the seafood, the combination of the taste of the
this
seafood
is
and
very
pasta.
winning combination. Yes, but it is so light that you don't really feel it. It is very, very light, this angel hair.
Delicious.
Oh, good. And also it is light dinner. You are not feeling heavy and overate after this.
It feels light too. It's taste light.
Oh, I love pasta.
Well, once again, Dr. Irina, you've done a great job. And so we have pasta today and seafood, which has been calamari, shrimp, and
Scallops.
scallops. Right, exactly. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a
for having
delicious
me.
meal.
Great. I'm glad you like it.
And Dr. Irina has written a book, Taste of Thoughts, to improve your health and your whole life. And in the back of this book are some recipes, and she has a website which has lots of recipes on it as well. So this is a good book to watch for your health. And that's our program for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.